Gotta let them know I'm uncontrollable.
Hello guys, welcome back to another Lumley trading video. It's going to be a quick one, but it's on how you can get a momentum scanner for yourself using Think or Swim. So if you're trying to look for momentum stocks, you can do this quite easily and have them running throughout the day. And so all you need to do is come over to the scan page, Stock Hacker, which is literally just the scanners, and then just delete anything if it's on the side. And so yeah, so you can literally just go remove all filters, remove all condition groups, and then it will be like this. And then all you want to do is add all you need to then do is click this fire, and just so some things pop up. Doesn't matter too much, but just so you're able to add a filter. So you can delete all these again, but as long as you can add filters, that's all that matters. So what you want to do is add you need to add 5 of these, all stocks apart from the last one, which will be a study. And then all you need to do is go on stock, change last. Obviously this will depend on what you're doing, so I mainly trade lower float, well, not even always lower float, just like more low price stocks, so usually under the $30 mark. So that's how I'll be configuring this, but you can just change it to your criteria. I'm just going to show you the basics. So I look for a stock at least $1.05, all the way up to a maximum of $30. I don't want anything more expensive, and I don't want anything cheaper than $1.05. Then on the second one, I would put in volume, and again I just have about 100,000 on here. This just means you don't have like those ones where you will get some barcode stocks, you just won't get as many, where they literally just really low volume and they don't make any price movements. So this will just stop you encountering any of that, and a max volume you can have whatever. I leave it just unlimited because I'm not too bothered. I want as much volume, it doesn't make a difference. Third one then is on percent change. You don't have to have this option on the momentum, but for the strategy I trade, I like stocks that have already gapped up because I need them for part of my strategy. It's part of my criteria. However, if it doesn't matter if the stock's up for you, you're just looking for ones that are making quick rises, then you can leave this option out. However, you probably will get stocks that more people are looking at keeping this option on. So I look for stocks that are up at least 3% on the day. I think that's a good number, especially like right now we do have a lot of runners which are up like 20-30%, but in other market conditions you're going to struggle to get many that are over 5. So I leave it at 3, then you have quite a lot to filter through. And then the last one I change is market cap. Again, I don't want anything that's really small, where you may get fill problems or just anything that can create kind of hassle, or you get again barcode stocks if they don't have a massive large market cap. But 25 million for a market cap is still relatively small, but provides you enough liquidity to get in and out of positions pretty easily. And then the last one on the study, all you want to do is go down to price, price and performance, and yes, and then price change, and then keep this on close. And then I look for at least 2 or usually 3%. Actually, I think it's 2.5. I use 2.5% or greater in less than 10 candles, and then I change this to the 1 minute. So it means in the last 10 minutes the stock's gone up at least 2.5%. And then if you're looking to do this pre-market as well, just keep on this extension. Basically just means extended hours, as you'll see if you go here, include extended trading hours. But if you don't care about that, you can tick that off. And so that's literally all you need to do. So if you scan this, stocks are all up more than 3%, and then if we go and check these coming into the close, they will be up 2.5%. So we'll go and look at this first one, MTDR, and you'll just see what I mean. MTDR. So this kind of made the same problem where you got those massive gaps, but let's see even if it has done it from here, because I don't know if it's including after hours this time. Yeah, 1.5%, so it is including after hours on this, but again, looking during it, with market times it works well, and it's the one I use throughout the market. if you ever watch my videos or streams. And then I also use two, as you'll see if I go over to my personal ones. I got momentum scanner and momentum scanner strict. If you've got lots of stocks popping up here, which on days where there's a lot of momentum you may do, I'll make sure as well you have this on the maximum. Yeah, on days where there's a lot of momentum and you may have more than like 100 stocks or 50 stocks on these momentum scanners, what I do is keep the exact same criteria. I just have a 5, so in 5 candles it's gone up at least 2.5%. Scan it again. You can see, so now we now got 52 stocks instead of, how many did we have originally? But compared to the 66, obviously during market hours it won't be this extreme. It's because after hours you get the weird volume, so you know they may be up like 10%, but as soon as market opens it goes back to where it was. And then I just save these both, so you just do save, and then you just save it under whatever name you want. I leave it as momentum scanner, and then I save both the 5 and the 10, one as normal and just one as strict, as you can see. And then I just leave them on this side thing so I can go throughout the charts, and then what you can do is attach them to your charts. And so you can literally just click one. So if I'm looking at the momentum scanner, you can then just press enter or the down key, and you can just go through them pretty quickly without having to type in their ticker. So I hope that helps. I hope this momentum scanner helps you find stocks if you're looking for momentum. And that's it. Don't forget to like, follow and comment. Peace.
That if I get working and grinding, now I will be flying away on a private jet. And we stuck in here saying maybe